Hey everybody, it's Jim, KC5DOV. Welcome to part 2 of the first blizzard of 2024. Right now, as I speak, it's 4:54 a.m. The temperature at my suburban house is 21 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 6 degrees centigrade. We got a light precipitation coming down. It's kind of a mix of frozen rain or sleet and quiet. I'm going to be quiet and let y'all just listen to the quiet for a little while. Okay, for reference, the lights in the background are approximately 1.5 acres away. Alright, and we'll come back during the daylight and show you how the first blizzard is going during the daytime. Okay everybody, it's about 2:30 in the afternoon. I guess this concludes the first blizzard of 2024. No snow, about a 1/2 inch of sleet and ice, and cold. But listen, it's still quiet. Alright, it's Jim, KC5DOV. See you guys next weather disaster.